Why is Bitcoin so important? Why is everyone talking about Bitcoin? You will find the answers to these questions in this video. Here are 5 key advantages Bitcoin has over traditional finance. 1. Seamless value transfer. Bitcoin excels at providing borderless value transfer, a significant advantage over traditional financial systems. Bitcoin transactions can be conducted quickly with low transaction fees. This makes international money transfers simple and cost-effective. Unlike traditional banks and financial institutions, Bitcoin transactions are not restricted by weekends or holidays. 2. Decentralization. Bitcoin operates without the need for a central authority, setting it apart from traditional finance systems. In traditional financial systems, centralized institutions such as banks and governments oversee and control transactions. Bitcoin's decentralization provides a reliability advantage, allowing users to conduct financial transactions entirely under their control. 3. Limited supply. Bitcoin has a capped total supply of 21 million coins. This limitation serves as a safeguard against inflation. Traditional fiat currencies can be printed by central banks without limit, increasing the risk of inflation. Bitcoin's limited supply helps preserve its value and offers users a reliable store of value. 4. Anonymity and privacy. Bitcoin transactions are conducted in a way that doesn't reveal personal information, enhancing user privacy. In traditional financial systems, personal information is often shared, increasing the risk of identity theft. Bitcoin offers a more secure option in this regard. 5. Accessibility and financial inclusion. Bitcoin is known for its low barriers to entry. Many people worldwide can use Bitcoin without access to traditional bank accounts. This presents a significant opportunity for the financially underserved population to participate in the financial system. Moreover, all that's needed to use Bitcoin is a device with an internet connection. As you can see, Bitcoin offers several advantages over traditional financial systems. Moreover, considering that the approval of the Bitcoin Spot ETF application appears to be imminent, and with the Bitcoin halving period approaching, we can suggest that Bitcoin may become even more advantageous. Please note that this video is not investment advice. Be sure to conduct your own research before investing. Yeah, that's all for now. I hope the video was useful. Stay tuned. See you in the next video.